Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes today. This is my work from home setup where I do a lot of my editing, emails and stuff like that. So I keep a pretty minimalist setup, but it's all on my favorite desk from FlexiSpot. I love this desk because it has the perfect size work area for me, a gorgeous work surface. I have enough room to have my laptop out, and it even has a little drawer right here where I like to keep charging cables and my other devices like my microphones, my extra cell phones, and my gimbal, so I can keep those charged up actually using this over here. I've got some USB-Cs, USB-As, and everything on the side of the desk so I can charge all my devices while I'm working. The cool thing about this, of course, is FlexiSpot is a company that is known for all of their adjustable products. So this is an adjustable height desk. It is a standing desk, and I'm gonna show you how cool it is. FlexiSpot is our partner for today. They have sponsored this video, and they are absolutely fantastic, and I cannot wait to show you more about them and tell you why I love a standing desk. So check this out. We have a wide range of height adjustment, so you can go all the way from super tall people to super short and everything in between. You do have 4 presets over here as well, so you can share this desk with somebody else, and you can each have a preset for standing and for sitting. So I love a standing desk, and let me tell you why. First of all, because sitting is not good for you, especially over long periods of time. So it's really important to take care of ourselves and make sure that we are letting our blood flow, not sitting down all day, and getting some standing in. I also find that standing while I work can help my productivity and help my energy levels. So if I'm getting kind of sleepy in the afternoon, instead of reaching for a candy bar or a soda, just go ahead, select your preset, stand up at your desk, and I guarantee you some of those little like 3 p.m. tired feelings will go away. It's pretty remarkable. I also find if I have an important meeting that standing up helps me be my best self. I'm a little more energized, a little bit more present for that meeting, and I think I do a better job. So it's really a cool thing that's not only healthier for me, but I think better for my productivity overall. Standing desk or an adjustable height desk is also going to be better for you in that sitting position, because according to the chair that you have, the computer that you have, the monitor you have, and your particular height is going to be exactly where, it will all depend on where you need to be looking at your screen. So instead of a one size fits all, this is going to be better for everyone, even in the sitting desk heights. So I hope you guys are kind of sold on the standing desk concept. I know I am, and FlexiSpot is definitely the best company for a standing desk out there. Not only is it beautiful, the perfect size, beautiful workspace, but this is by far the smoothest, quietest, and most powerful standing desk I've ever seen. So check this out. You've got your glass of water. You can move this up and down, and nothing. No spilling water, nothing going on. I can even hop on this desk, have it ride me all the way up, all the way down, like a carnival ride, and it's totally fine because it has a very, very strong and durable motor. Now, all tricks aside, and lab test, the reason why this is so important is if you are switching this up and down in an office setting, you don't want it to be disturbing, obviously. You also don't want this to be disturbing or jerky if you are moving your desk from seated to standing while you are on a call or a Zoom meeting. You don't want your camera and your laptop moving all around. That can be really disruptive. So you want a very smooth rise, and that's what you get when you get FlexiSpot. Not only that, these are easy to assemble, super easy. They are really, really durable, and they have all kinds of different accessories and fun things that you're going to love. For example, I love that this has my charging ports over on the side. I've got a drawer right here. You can choose cord management and all sorts of different accessories that work for your particular setup. Now I want to show you guys one way that I use my FlexiSpot that I think is kind of like a little tip or a trick to get the most out of your standing desk. I like to couple this with using it with my favorite smartwatch. So I have my smartwatch set, like a lot of us do, to vibrate once an hour. So that way I know to get up, walk around, move a little bit, make sure I'm getting my steps in. Well, I also use that as a reminder to alternate between sitting and standing. So if I've been sitting, for 45 minutes, an hour, and my watch goes off, I let that be my reminder, okay, it's time to stand up for a little while, get my blood flowing, and just make sure I'm being as healthy as possible. I think that's important. I also love that with a lot of the FlexiSpot desk, there are even plenty of room to put a walking pad underneath here. So if that's your thing, or if you're really working on getting extra steps, you can absolutely do that as well. So I want to check out with you guys the FlexiSpot website. You're gonna see all these really cool things like chairs, of course the standing desk, recliners and sofas, adjustable beds, and so much more. But the coolest thing about the FlexiSpot website is it's really, really great for choosing exactly what's right for you. Seeing all of the different accessories, all of the different beautiful finishes. By the way, I love this gorgeous white finish, super shiny and beautiful, and I use it oftentimes for the background of some of my unboxing videos. So if you see a nice, clean, pretty white background, just know that's from my FlexiSpot. So they do have some bamboo finishes and all kinds of different ones. There's L-shaped desk, so many other things, and of course the accessories. But what I really, really want to show you guys is that these desks are actually super, super affordable for being so easy to assemble, so durable, so powerful. I'm blown away with the price points. I mean, you're gonna get a great deal on whatever desk you choose, but for an entry-level standing desk, the E2, you can get this for under $150. That's insane. That's so crazy. Absolutely anyone can afford this. It's beautiful. It's just gonna work for you, and it's going to be a great desk for your office, for your home, and I highly, highly encourage you guys to check it out. I'm going to have a promo code. I'm gonna leave all of the links for you in the description, of course, so I encourage you to please use my link, use my promo code so you can get the best deal, but just know that you're looking at your very own adjustable height standing desk, crazy weight limits, absolutely stable and secure, beautiful finishes, all the accessories that you love. It's gonna look beautiful in your workspace. Again, look at this. Best lowest price standing desk of 2023 and 2024, I'm sure. The FlexiSpot E2 standing desk by the Wall Street Journal. I'm showing you, it's all real right here, you guys. Check their website out. This is insane. You're looking at under $150 for a standing desk. The E2 is absolutely incredible, but all of the desks from FlexiSpot are, and I encourage you guys to check out the chairs, check out the accessories, maybe get a bed, who knows? I'm a huge fan of FlexiSpot. I know that you guys will be as well. Go ahead, get to shopping, use my link, and don't forget the promo code. Adios, amigos.